Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a feel the love effect on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, after you add the video that you want to edit, you just click on the effect at the bottom. And then click on a video effect. And at the menu, you can click on love. And and then in here you just swipe down until you can see a feel the love. Feel the love effect. Where is feel the love? Oh, this one. And then click on it and click check icon in here. Now you can adjust the effect, so you just click on the adjust at the bottom. You can adjust the speed and for background animation or the opacity like this, and after this you can click check icon in here. Now you can set the effect until the end of the video and finish. So that's how to add a feel the love effect on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.